A lot of people need to know where the battery is on this car, this generation of Passats. So what you want to do, a lot of people might think it's under a seat or in the trunk somewhere, but it's not. It's in the engine bay. Pull this, that'll release your hood. And come around here. You pull on your hood a little bit, this little tab comes out. You pull the tab while you're opening the hood. And it looks like there's no battery in here. Don't see anything. You think maybe it's under here, but that's not it. And it's not under there, it's nowhere. But where it is here, by your windshield wipers. And it's got this cover on it. You just pull the cover sideways if you want to check the battery. This will give you access to the battery terminals to check the battery. Now if you want to remove the battery, you're going to have to pop. This is all plastic on clips and on, this is just plastic on clips. So you're going to want to pull this up and then pull this up. And then there's a retainer bolt here that holds the battery down so that it doesn't shake around. And then you take these off and the battery will come out. You can replace your battery easy. That's all there is for this video. Thanks a lot. Hope I helped.